The financial landscape is undergoing a seismic transformation, driven by rapid technological advancements, changing consumer expectations, and a growing emphasis on sustainability and inclusivity. As we navigate through this era of digital revolution, it is essential to understand the key trends and innovations shaping the future of finance. Fintech revolution. The rise of financial technology, or fintech, has been one of the most significant disruptors in the finance industry. Fintech companies leverage technology to offer innovative financial services that challenge traditional banking models. From mobile banking apps and digital wallets to robo-advisors and peer-to-peer lending platforms, fintech is democratizing access to financial services. Blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies are at the forefront of this revolution. Blockchain's decentralized nature promises greater transparency, security, and efficiency in financial transactions. Cryptocurrencies, despite their volatility, are gaining traction as alternative investment assets and mediums of exchange. Central banks are also exploring central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, which could reshape monetary policy and financial systems globally. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are transforming how financial institutions operate. These technologies enable more accurate risk assessment, fraud detection, and personalized financial advice. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants enhance customer service by providing real-time support and financial insights. In investment management, AI and ML are revolutionizing trading strategies through algorithmic trading and predictive analytics. These technologies analyze vast amounts of data to identify market trends and optimize investment portfolios, offering higher returns and lower risks. Open banking. Open banking is a regulatory initiative that allows third-party developers to build applications and services around financial institutions. By enabling secure access to financial data, open banking fosters innovation and competition, benefiting consumers with more tailored financial products. This paradigm shift encourages collaboration between banks and fintech firms, leading to the creation of integrated financial ecosystems. Sustainable finance. Sustainability is becoming a cornerstone of modern finance. Investors and consumers are increasingly prioritizing environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors in their financial decisions. Sustainable finance integrates ESG criteria into investment processes, promoting responsible and ethical financial practices. Green bonds, social impact investing, and sustainability-linked loans are examples of financial instruments designed to support sustainable development. Financial institutions are also adopting climate risk assessments to mitigate the impact of climate change on their portfolios. Financial inclusion. The future of finance is inclusive. Advancements in technology are breaking down barriers to financial services, especially for underserved populations. Mobile banking and digital payment solutions have transformed financial inclusion in developing regions, providing access to banking services for millions. Microfinance and community-based lending models empower small businesses and entrepreneurs by offering microloans and financial literacy programs. As financial services become more accessible, economic opportunities expand, fostering inclusive growth. Cybersecurity and data privacy. With the increasing digitization of financial services, cybersecurity and data privacy have become paramount. Financial institutions are investing heavily in robust security measures to protect against cyber threats and ensure the integrity of financial systems. Regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, enforce stringent data protection standards, ensuring consumers' privacy rights. The future of finance is dynamic and multifaceted, characterized by technological innovation, inclusivity, and sustainability. As fintech continues to evolve, the financial industry must adapt to new paradigms and embrace change. By fostering a collaborative environment between traditional financial institutions, fintech companies, and regulators, we can create a more accessible, efficient, and equitable financial ecosystem. In this transformative journey, the ultimate goal is to leverage technology not only to enhance financial services, but also to empower individuals and communities, driving global economic prosperity. The future of finance is not just about advancing technology, it's about reimagining finance to serve a broader purpose, one that benefits all of society. The future of finance is being shaped by a confluence of technological advancements, changing consumer preferences, and evolving regulatory landscapes. As fintech innovations continue to disrupt traditional financial models, the industry is becoming more inclusive, efficient, and customer-centric. However, this transformation also brings challenges, including ensuring data security, managing systemic risks, and navigating regulatory complexities. Stakeholders in the financial sector must remain agile and forward-thinking to harness the opportunities of this new era while mitigating its risks. The next decade promises to be a period of unprecedented change, defining the future of finance for generations to come. As we look towards the horizon, the future of finance appears to be a tapestry woven with innovation, inclusivity, and interconnectivity. The digital transformation, spearheaded by advancements in fintech, promises to democratize financial services, making them more accessible to the underserved and unbanked populations. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are poised to redefine the very fabric of monetary transactions, offering unprecedented levels of transparency and security. Sustainability and ethical investing will move from niche to norm, as investors increasingly align their portfolios with their values, driving the growth of ESG, environmental, social, and governance criteria. Meanwhile, AI and machine learning will continue to refine predictive analytics, risk assessment, and personalized financial advice, ensuring that financial services are not only smarter but also more attuned to individual needs. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The finance sector must navigate the challenges of cybersecurity threats, regulatory compliance, and the ethical use of data. It must also address the digital divide, ensuring that technological advancements do not widen the gap between the haves and have-nots. In conclusion, the future of finance is bright and brimming with potential. It is an era where technology empowers, ethics guide, and opportunities abound for all to participate in the financial ecosystem. The future of finance is likely to be shaped by advancements in technology, such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. We can expect increased digitization, automation of processes, personalized services, and a shift towards decentralized finance. Regulatory changes, cybersecurity measures, and sustainability considerations will also play significant roles in shaping the future of finance. Thank you for joining us on this financial journey. We hope today's insights have added value to your financial literacy. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful videos.